In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a report to a CSV file in Wave. Start by heading over to your Wave account. Once you're there, open the Reports section from the left-hand side menu. Here you'll find different types of reports such as profit and loss, balance sheet, customer reports, and more. For this example, I'm going to open the Account Transactions report, but you can use the same process for any other report. Before exporting, make sure you've selected the correct filters. Check that the right accounts and date ranges are chosen, and confirm that all the displayed information is what you want to export. Once everything looks good, click on the Export button at the upper right-hand side of your screen. You'll see two options, CSV and PDF. Since we're focusing on CSV, choose that option. Once selected, Wave will automatically generate a CSV file and download it to your device. You'll find it in your default downloads folder. When you open the file, you'll see all of your report data neatly formatted in columns. This allows you to store, analyze, or share your data easily outside of Wave. And that's how you can export any report to a CSV file in Wave.